Are you feeling overwhelmed by tax season this year and you're just not sure where to begin? Well, let's walk through some of the options and see what can work for you. We're going to start by talking about some that are free to use or free to at least get started with. The first one is called TaxAct. TaxAct is a popular choice for filing taxes in the USA. Here are some of the pros and cons. Pros: affordable pricing. TaxAct is generally cheaper than competitors like TurboTax and H&R Block. They have free expert support. Users can access free support from CPAs, enrolled agents, and tax attorneys. Ease of use. The software is user-friendly, allowing easy navigation between sections without repeating interview questions. Import features. You can import electronic copies of your W-2 forms directly into the software. Mobile app. TaxAct offers a mobile app for filing taxes, which can be convenient for users on the go. Now, let's look at a few cons. The first one has to do with state filing fees. TaxAct charges higher fees for state returns compared to some of their competitors. Upselling. Users may encounter frequent offers to upgrade or purchase additional services. Limited free filing. The free version is only available for federal returns, and state returns cost extra. Mid-tier experience. Despite its affordability, TaxAct may not offer as comprehensive an experience as higher-end software. Summary: overall, TaxAct can be a good option if you're looking for a cost-effective and straightforward way to file your taxes in the US, especially if you don't need to file a state return. Next, the IRS Direct File program. The IRS Direct File program is a relatively new option for filing taxes directly with the IRS. Here are some of the pros and cons. Pros: free filing. The program allows eligible taxpayers to file their federal income tax returns for free. Direct submission. You can submit your tax return directly to the IRS without needing third-party software. Security. Filing directly with the IRS can offer enhanced security for your personal information. Accessibility. The program is expanding to more states, making it accessible to a larger number of taxpayers. It also has some basic phone or chat support available. Cons. There's limited state filing. Currently, the program does not support state tax returns for most states. You may need to use another service for state filing. Eligibility restrictions. The program is limited to certain types of income and deductions. It may not cover more complex tax situations. Pilot stage. As the program is still in its pilot stage, it may have limited features and support compared to established tax software. Summary. Overall, the IRS Direct File program can be a great option if you have a straightforward federal tax return and live in one of the participating states. It's also important to note that it only works for certain types of income. For example, not those from the gig economy, those who own their own business, or have rental properties. As of the time when this video was made, it is available in 25 states, and if you go to their website and answer some questions, they can help you determine if they are a good option for you. TaxSlayer is another popular tax filing software in the US. Here are some of their pros and cons. Pros: affordable pricing. TaxSlayer offers competitive pricing, often lower than other major tax software providers. Basic returns start at $0, and then they have some paid tiers beyond that. None of these fees include state tax filing. They even have a table included stating how they feel their fees compare to TurboTax, which they no doubt view as one of their main competitors. Free federal filing. The basic version allows free federal tax filing. Mobile app. You can file your taxes using TaxSlayer's mobile app, which is convenient for users who prefer to file on the go. Step-by-step guidance. The software provides clear, step-by-step instructions to help you through the filing process. Customer support. TaxSlayer offers excellent customer support via phone and email. Cons. Limited free assistance. Free tax assistance is only available for premium and self-employed versions. No W-2 or 1099 upload. You cannot upload your W-2 or 1099 forms directly into the software. Limited expert training. TaxSlayer's tax experts may not have the same level of certification as those from other providers. No full service plans. TaxSlayer does not offer full service tax preparation options. In summary, TaxSlayer can be a great option if you're looking for an affordable and straightforward way to file your taxes, especially if you don't need extensive expert assistance. Next, FreeTaxUSA. FreeTaxUSA offers free federal returns, but there are paid options to increase the amount of support that you receive, with live chats starting around $8. State returns also start around $15. You can also get more professional support for a higher fee. Pros: free federal filing. Tax-Free USA offers free federal tax filing for all users, regardless of their tax situation. Low-cost state filing. State tax returns can be filed for a low fee of $14.99. Prior year import. You can easily import prior year tax returns. Affordable upgrades. Optional upgrades for priority support and unlimited amended returns are available at reasonable prices. Tax Pro Assistance. Users can get help from a tax professional for an additional fee. Cons. Limited import features. FreeTaxUSA has limited import capabilities for documents like W-2 and 1099 forms. Manual entry. The software requires manual entry for many forms, which can be time-consuming. Basic interface. The user interface is not as polished or intuitive as some higher-end tax software. Extended wait times. Customer support wait times can be longer compared to other services. In summary, FreeTaxUSA is a great option if you're looking for a budget-friendly way to file your taxes, especially if you have a straightforward tax situation. Next, we have CashApp Taxes. CashApp Taxes, formerly known as Credit Karma Tax, is a free tax filing service. Pros: it's completely free. CashApp Taxes offers free federal and state tax filing for all users, regardless of their tax situation. Audit support. Free audit support is included, which can be reassuring if you face an audit. User-friendly interface. The software has a straightforward and easy-to-use interface. Mobile filing. You can file your taxes directly from your mobile phone using the Cash App. Wide range of tax situations. It supports most common tax situations, including investments and small business income. Cons. Limited import features. CashApp Taxes has limited import capabilities for documents like W-2 forms. No professional help. There is no option to get help from tax professionals. Single state filing. You cannot file multiple state returns or part-year state returns. CashApp account required. You need to have a CashApp account to use the service. Overall, CashApp Taxes can be a great option if you're looking for a completely free and straightforward way to file your taxes, especially if you have a relatively simple tax situation. Now we're going to get to the two big players that you've no doubt heard about. The first one is TurboTax. TurboTax is a widely used tax filing software in both the USA and Canada. Here are some of the pros and cons. Pros: user-friendly interface. TurboTax is known for its intuitive and easy-to-navigate interface, making it accessible even for those new to tax filing. Comprehensive coverage. It supports a wide range of tax situations, including self-employment, investments, and rental income. Live support. TurboTax offers live support options, including TurboTax Live, where you can get help from tax experts. Mobile app. You can file your taxes using TurboTax's mobile app, which is convenient for users who prefer to file on the go. Accuracy guarantee. TurboTax provides an accuracy guarantee, ensuring that your return is calculated correctly. Real-time refund tracking. As you're filling out your questions, TurboTax will update in real time what your refund is predicted to be. For those of you apprehensive about doing your taxes for the first time, TurboTax also has strong brand reputation and extensive customer support. Now for cons. The first one is cost. TurboTax can be more expensive than other tax filing software, especially if you need to upgrade to higher tiers for more complex tax situations. Upselling. Users may encounter frequent offers to upgrade or purchase additional services. Limited free filing. The free version is limited to simple tax returns and does not cover more complex situations. State filing fees. TurboTax charges additional fees for state returns, which can add to the overall cost. Overall, TurboTax is a great option if you're looking for a comprehensive and user-friendly way to file your taxes, especially if you have a more complex tax situation. Some users have noted that it seems to have a higher cost compared to other options, especially for the more complex returns. Some users have also reported issues with the desktop version. Loyal users of TurboTax will no doubt note its comprehensive guidance, its autofill, real-time refund tracking, and its deduction maximization. Though it can have a higher cost than some, the detailed explanations and extensive guarantees, along with audit defense, put a lot of people's minds at ease. The other main player that we want to consider is H&R Block. H&R Block is a well-known tax filing service in both the US and Canada. H&R Block covers more options for free than TurboTax does, and they are both known for offering paid, on-demand help for your taxes. Here are some of the pros and cons. Pros: user-friendly interface. H&R Block offers an intuitive and easy-to-navigate interface, making it accessible for users of all experience levels. In-person support. You can visit H&R Block offices for in-person assistance, which is helpful if you prefer face-to-face interaction. Comprehensive coverage. The software supports a wide range of tax situations, including self-employment, investments, and rental income. Live expert help. H&R Block provides access to tax experts for live support, ensuring you get professional help when needed. Accuracy guarantee. The service offers an accuracy guarantee, promising that your return will be calculated correctly. Ease of use. There is step-by-step guidance with access to over 13,000 tax articles. It also allows importing of previous filings, even from competitors like TurboTax. Now for some cons. The first one is the cost. H&R Block can be more expensive than some other tax filing options, especially if you need to upgrade to higher tiers for more complex tax situations. Upselling. Users may encounter frequent offers to upgrade or purchase additional services. Limited free filing. The free version is limited to simple tax returns and does not cover more complex situations. State filing fees. Additional fees apply for state returns, which can increase the overall cost. It is also worth noting that some users may find the interface less intuitive than competitors. There is also a higher cost for premium features. Consumer Affairs highlights H&R Block's extensive experience and in-person support, though it mentions higher costs for premium features. PC Mag commends H&R Block for its friendly interface, extensive coverage of tax issues, and excellent help options, making it a superb choice for both simple and complex tax returns. Overall, H&R Block is a trusted brand with in-person support, detailed explanations, and it is a comprehensive and user-friendly way to file your taxes, especially if you prefer that live expert who you can meet face-to-face. At the end of the day, I hope that my research has helped you, but it's your choice to decide who you want to do your taxes. So let me know in the comments, which service did you use this year? Have you used them before? Would you use them again next year? Be sure to check out the links listed beneath this video, both for helpful links as well as some affiliate links. Now that you've completed your taxes, hopefully you have some money coming back to you as a result of your tax return. In our next video, we're going to discuss some options of what to do with that money. Thanks for watching.